Hello family, welcome back to NaturalLee. My name is Lydia. In this video we are doing a special type of pre-poo. I'm deciding to call it a special type of pre-poo. If this is the first time you are stopping by this channel, please do well to subscribe for more videos like this, and please click on the notifications bell to get notified when I drop a video. So our first ingredient is aloe vera. Aloe vera is a powerhouse for a lot of things, for the skin, for the hair, and even for consumption. So what we're gonna use is we are using the aloe vera gel or the aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is a desert plant, meaning that it can stay a long while without water, and when it keeps water it's able to retain it for a long time. That's how come it has so much moisture in it. So we'll be using aloe vera juice. And why are we using aloe vera juice? Aloe vera juice is a natural plant that strengthens the hair. It also controls greasy scalp. It helps an itchy scalp. That was one of the issues I was having. That's why I did this treatment. It also protects us from UV damage. It protects the hair from UV damage, and also it guarantees hair growth. Aloe vera really grows the hair. If you are battling with hair growth, please use aloe vera and you will never regret it. So I first off start off by cutting the sharp size. The sharp size can, if you don't have a very strong blender, it cannot really do well. Some people decide to use the whole plant. It is up to you, whatever you want to do, but I just want the juice, or I just want the gel. That's how come I scoop only the gel out. But if you think blending everything will be good for you, why not? Go ahead. But do what's best for your hair. Do what will suit your hair. After this aloe vera, our next ingredient is egg. Guys, egg. We know egg is full of protein. Like for consumption and for the hair, egg has so much protein in it. So why are you using egg for healthy hair? Egg has so many benefits. The next ingredient is honey. Honey is also a natural ingredient. It's like a humectant. Honey is able to give your hair a lot of moisture and soften your hair. It also strengthens your hair and also makes your hair grow. Honey is like one of the ingredients that I can never go away with. If you've been on this channel for a while, you'll notice that every treatment I do, I add honey to it. Like, I love honey. Honey is what opened my eyes to healthy hair. Our final ingredient is olive oil. This is olive oil mixed with other herbs, but the main factor here is the olive oil. So I'll be giving you some benefits of these 4 ingredients, especially from the egg to the olive oil. So egg are nutrient rich hair superfood. It contains vitamin A and E, biotin and folate are just some of the nutrients found in eggs that are said to help keep your hair thick and healthy. The yolk is loaded with healthy fat. Some people decide to use only the yolk and leave the white one out. Some people also decide to use only the white one and leave the yolk. So whichever way, they are all very nutritious. When I'm done, I put everything in a blender and then I blend it so that I get a smooth consistency. If you don't get a smooth consistency, you have a lot of lumps in your hair and you find it difficult washing it out. So please, if you blend it, please make sure you blend it to a smooth consistency like what you are seeing in this video. It actually looks very yummy. It looks like something that I'm going to consume. So next is honey. Honey has both emollient and humectant properties. Like the humectant properties of honey is one thing that I'll never forget. Honey is good for the hair. I can't stress on it enough. It really grows the hair. It's a natural thing. It's a completely natural thing. Some people do something by adding sugar to it, but if you can get the original natural honey, please do well to get it. So this is me drinking water, making it look like it's a special thing. No, I'm just trying to say that water is life, and water is also good for hair growth, both inside and then on the hair itself. This is my hair growth spray, and I'll add a link to this spray in this video, so that you can just check it out and be using it on your hair. You want to do this treatment with your hair in a moistened state, like in a dampened state, not very wet and not very dry. So you can tell my hair is dry. My hair was very itchy. I mean, my scalp was very itchy. I did a treatment a while ago and I had problems with my electricity, so I couldn't wash it well, and it really clogged my pores. My pores couldn't breathe. Like, I was really suffering from itchy scalp. So then I said, oh my goodness, I have to do this treatment. Like, what how busy am I that I can't have time for my hair? So I decided to do this amazing treatment, and aloe vera being in it, aloe vera is able to help me control my scalp itchiness. I first of all sprayed my herbal spray on it, or herbal water on it, and then I go in with my mixture: aloe vera, honey, olive oil and egg mixture blended together, looking all juicy and yummy. I spread it through vigorously, making sure that it really goes through my strands and then my scalp. My scalp is where I'm having the issues, but it doesn't mean I should leave the strands. Do it with the strands and also the ends, because the ends are the oldest part of your hair. So try doing this, focusing on the ends and then the scalp as well. If you have been on this channel for a while, you know that I'm really against combing the hair. So I always finger detangle, pass my finger through, and then I twist it. So this is what I'm going to do throughout the entire hair. When I'm done, I massage my hair. So now let's go to the final ingredient: olive oil. Olive oil could add softness and strengthen hair by penetrating the hair shaft and preserving moisture. The shine said to come from olive oil may be due to the oil smoothing and the outer cuticle of the hair. You may end up doing some experiments before finding a routine that works for you. Some people use only olive oil to pre-poo their hair. Other people add olive oil to other treatments like what I'm doing here. But olive oil is, especially extra virgin olive oil, it has so many tremendous benefits for both the hair, the skin, and even consumption. Like, people use it to cook, and it has amazing benefits. So but in this video we are using it for our hair, and it's been good so far, so good. So yes, while I put the treatment in my hair, let's have a chit chat. Let's have a small conversation about natural hair. So if you are starting your journey and you want to give up, you're thinking of giving up, oh my goodness, like, I don't really want anyone to say that, because giving up means you're not going to know the results in the next 2 or 3 years. Like, why do you give up? You're not going to know the results in the next 5 or 6 years. You ain't going to know the results. Don't give up. I'll try and add some pictures of how I started. If you've known me for a while, you know I started with big chop, like completely bald. I went all the way flat because I wanted to start a journey. I wanted to start a journey from step 1, and I did it, and I'm so proud of myself. I think when you decide to take care of your hair, you also become conscious about other things like your skin, your mental health, your surroundings. Like, you become very conscious, and I've become very conscious of my skin, even what I eat. Like, it's because, and also stress management. When I'm going through anything, I don't want to go through it too much, because I feel that when I go through it too much, it's going to affect my hair. So if something is approaching and it's going to give me stress, I just take 2 steps backwards and then swerve it. I try my best to swerve it, because I can't really take care of my hair for a year and a half, and then stress will come and patch in and then make me lose everything. So please try to take care of your mental health as well, because they affect your hair. And I'm happy that I took on this journey. It has really made me independent, let me put it that way. It has made me self-dependent, because instead of going to the salon to do it, or thinking that, okay, I have to plan a schedule for my hair at the salon, I just tell myself, okay, today when I close from work, I'm going to wash my hair, and I do it because I have all the things at home, and I feel so proud about it. I feel really proud that I've taken this initiative. So yeah, enough of the talking. Anything you want to do, please do it well. Anything you want to do, please do it well. Don't give up, because when you give up, you're not going to know the results in the next 10 or 15 years, or even it's too far, in the next 2 or 3 years. You're going to be amazed. You're going to be I don't even know the word to use. You're really going to appreciate yourself for taking on this quest. Yeah. And enjoy your journey. Enjoy your journey. Don't compare your hair to anyone. Just enjoy your journey. You may have criticism, people saying that your hair will never grow, your hair has never grown this length. So how do you expect your hair to grow? Just ignore them. Just ignore them. After I'm done applying it to my hair, I give my hair a good massage. Like, I give my hair a very good massage, because massaging the scalp is what helps. Like, is what helps the hair to grow. It promotes blood circulation, and when blood is circulating, it means that the body is very active. So I go on with my shower cap. At this stage, you can decide to wear a steamer cap for about 15 minutes, or just wear a shower cap and wait for about 30 minutes or an hour, depending on how you feel like, or depending on the strength of your hair. Some people have a very sensitive hair, so 1 hour is too much time for them. 30 minutes or 15 minutes is cool. So this is my hair after I wore the steamer cap for 15 minutes, and I feel how soft my hair has become. The itchiness just vanished, as if I used a magic something in my hair. I go into the shower and then wash my hair out. This is freshly washed. I haven't added any product. I haven't added any cream to it. So guys, this is where I'll be ending my video. If you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe for more videos like this. At this stage, please stretch your hair, because when you wash your hair and it's like this, shrinkage, it will be your best friend. And after your hair shrinks, it's prone to breakage. Bye.